So let's continue. We can put in the casing hanger and the casing shoe at 500. Top of cement, that's 0. Mud weight, we can use 12. We continue, we put in the next type of casing, which should be around 14. You can call it intermediate casing. This is a casing. This should be something higher. It's going to use something like 16. I'm looking for 16. 16 is here. So the hanger at 0, and then this can be at 1,200. Of cement 0. Mud weight remains the same. Okay, we can change the mud weight to 14, which is quite high. And we come here, we've got the next one. I'm going to choose this and an intermediate. So this one becomes our, okay, this is supposed to be intermediate casing. This is supposed to be surface casing. So this is also a casing. So we choose the whole section. Whole section should be something like 12. So I'm going to take this to 3,000, 300, and then 0. Still we at 14. So we got the next one, which should be around 6, maybe 6, maybe 7. Oh, this is our production. So this is casing. This has to be around 8. So this can go up to 4,500. Then double cement is 0. So we still at the same mud weight, 14. So lastly, we have 5. So we can call this production again. Then we can give it, and say it's a liner. So is at 0. Then we have a shoe, 5,000. Double cement 0. Mud weight still have 14. So we are done putting in the casings. So we continue the next part, which is the production data. So fluid density, and then we have the gas gravity. Do it the same, so you apply, then you click OK. So we are done with the first part, which is putting in the well data. So So we are going to continue and put in the design parameters.